Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you step by step how to remove your uninstall app on your Bluestacks L. So if you want to remove your application from Bluestacks L, this video gonna help you a lot. Okay, so first, enter your Bluestacks application on your computer first. Okay, wait for the home screen to load. Okay, so after that, if you haven't logged in your account though, if you have to log in again to your account, you can log in your account from the profile icon on your right side here. Okay, for me, I already signed in my account. So what you have to do next is in your left corner, you can see stores and my games on your left, right? So just click your my name, my games. Okay, here's the application that I download from BlueStack L5. So what if we do if we want to remove on an install application? So if you want to uninstall Snapchat, so just right click on your mouse and then you can see application infos and uninstall. So if you want to uninstall this application, just click it, and if you are sure to uninstall, just click OK. So your app is successfully at install. Okay, I will show you another one too. So if I want to remove Facebook Live here, just right click, and then you can also see application information and install. So I'm sure to uninstall this app. So just uninstall and click OK. So my Facebook Live and Snapchat already successfully and installed for my Bluestack L. This is how to do. So this is how to remove an install application on your BlueStack. It's quite simple and it's easy to do. I hope this video gonna help you a lot, guys. Thank you so much.